How to boost your Experian credit score. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video, we are going to be discussing about the credit score boost that is currently a feature available in Experian. So make sure to stick with me till the end. So if you are using Experian.com website or whatever else, and then now you've been noticing that there is actually a new credit boost feature. So to go to that feature, first of all, I'll make sure to drop a link down below. So it is this URL, which is called Experian.com/consumer product score boost. And on this specific page, you'll find all of the information regarding this boost. You can actually start your boost instantly. Only Experian can raise your FICO or FICO score instantly for absolutely free. So what are some of the features is that you get credit for the bills you already pay with Experian Boost, like utilities, video streaming services, and now even rent, and access your free Experian credit report and FICO score, and includes Experian credit monitoring and alerts. So over here, you'll be able to see all of these features, such as using your rent to boost your credit scores and so on. And some of the popular bills that work are Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO Max, AT&T, Spectrum, Verizon, and so on. You can also see some of the other information to connect your bank account instantly, choose and verify the positive payment history you want to add to Experian credit file, and then see your boost results instantly, and then you'll get a boost in this way. So it has been marketed as such. So if you want to subscribe to it, then all you need to do is click on the option called Start Your Boost. When you click on the Start Your Boost and then you open it in a new tab, you will be able to fill out the payment details and so on, and then subscribe and then get the boost in that way. And this is how you can boost your credit score on Experian. I'll make sure to drop this link below. This is a subscription membership from Experian itself. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.